Okay, so my laptop got delivered from Flipkart. This is the unboxing video. This is the box of the Lenovo laptop. This is the setup guide for the laptop, safety and warranty guide. This looks like the invoice. Here we have the adapter for charging the laptop. And now for the laptop. So, sleek. It has a thin brush finish. It has Lenovo written here. Has a very sleek silver look. Here there is the HDMI port, the USB ports. This is for the charging, and this is the LED which will glow when it charges. Let's open the laptop. It's very light to carry. It has a 15.6 inch screen which has matte finish, has very less bezel on the side. This is the webcam. It has a nice platinum grey finish. Here is the touchpad. Now if we look at the keyboard, then it is smooth. The keys are nice to use. Let's look at the bottom now. This is the bottom of the laptop. It has the rubber pads here for friction. This laptop has 4 GB RAM and 1 TB hard disk. 4 GB RAM can be expanded with adding more an external RAM stick. It has AMD A6 processor. and I purchased this with DOS so I can put my own Linux operating system. So this is the Lenovo IdeaPad S145, ultra thin and ultra light.